Bitcoin futures, this sideways action is perhaps going on a little longer than I'd be comfortable with. We'll have to wait and see what actually happens in the end. I've been suggesting that there's been more buying than selling within this zone, or the buyers are at least holding the upper hand, but the price is just going nowhere at the moment, and perhaps that's part of the tactic. Just wait for markets to be more favourable, and in the meantime you can wait out the turmoil in the general markets and the strength in the US dollar. We'll just have to wait and see. I wouldn't be buying this until I see which way price breaks, because whichever way price breaks, the strength that's been generated within this zone will support the price movement, whichever way price moves. So if price moves higher and attempts to break out, this strength that's been built up in here will support the breakout. But if price breaks down and heads down towards the 10,000 level, then I expect that the buying that's been found in this zone will be dumped, and that will support the price moving lower and really overwhelm any buyers that attempt to stand in its way until it gets down to the next level, which I anticipate is between 8,000 and 12,000. And we're calling 10,000 the middle of the range. It's going on a little bit longer than I'd like. An accumulation like this would normally last 12 to 16 weeks, 3 to 4 months, and it's getting on towards 5 months now. It's a little bit long-winded, and you have to wonder whether sentiment's changing from what it originally was to where it is now. Otherwise, the market would have made some attempt to move either higher or lower. At the moment, it's just going sideways with very narrow spreads on mostly average volumes. This week, volume was much lower, so activity in the market was much lower. There was no effort or force behind this week's trading. So we'll just have to see how it responds.